Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram freeze white screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to Instagram, just go to settings and then go to apps and then go to apps again. Now just type freeze here, stop it, storage, clear cache, go back and then just and then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. If that also doesn't fix it, then restart your phone, and after that just your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.